Mercedes-Benz India launched two of their beasts online, the Mercedes-AMG C63 Coupe and AMG GTR. Both the cars are powerful machines. In the earlier video where we spoke about the details about the Mercedes-AMG C63 Coupe, in the following video we are going to talk about the powerful AMG GTR. Mercedes-Benz, along with the launch of Mercedes-AMG C63 Coupe, launched the 2020 AMG GTR in the Indian market. The new Mercedes-AMG GTR is available with a price tag starting at Rs 2.48 crores ex-showroom India. The new AMG GTR comes with a number of subtle updates and revisions over the previous model as part of its mid-cycle refresh. The new Mercedes-AMG GTR looks identical to its predecessor. There are a few subtle changes. This includes an updated front bumper with canards on either end, revised LED headlamps, Panamericana grille, and brake cooling measures. The 2020 Mercedes-AMG GTR comes powered by the same 4.0-liter bi-turbo V8 engine, which has now been updated to comply with the BS6 emission norms. It produces 577 bhp and 700 Nm of peak torque, paired with an AMG SpeedShift 7-speed automatic transmission unit. The 2020 Mercedes-AMG GTR claims to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds, while reaching a top speed of 318 km/h. The new AMG GTR is said to be almost 14 kg lighter than the previous model, which combined with the rear wheel steering feature makes it even more agile and improves handling. Martin Truex said, "The launch of two new AMGs reiterates Mercedes-Benz India's commitment towards introducing the best of products from its global portfolio. We are confident that both these halo products will further enhance the customer excitement created by the AMG GT 4-door coupe, which we launched at the Auto Expo." Mercedes' product offensive for the Indian market will continue as Mercedes keep exciting the customers not only with fascinating products and services but also with innovative brand experiences. Mercedes-AMG GTR is one of the most popular Grand Tourer sports car in the world. The AMG GTR was introduced years ago and since then has had a number of updates and various versions as well. The 2020 Mercedes-AMG GTR in India rivals the likes of the Jaguar F-Type and the Porsche 911 series. Every automobile manufacturer is busy launching their products online due to COVID-19 pandemic. Joining in is the Datsun India. Datsun India has launched the much-awaited Redigo facelift in the Indian market. The new Datsun Redigo facelift is offered with a starting price of Rs 2.83 lakh for the base spec, while the top spec is priced at Rs 4.77 lakh ex-showroom. Datsun India is known for its affordability. The new Datsun Redigo facelift is offered with a choice of 6 variants: D, A, T, T-optional 800cc, T-optional 1.0-liter and TO 1.0-liter automatic transmission. As the variant lineup suggests, the new Redigo hatchback will continue to be powered by two petrol engine options, the 800cc 3-cylinder unit and the 999cc 3-cylinder unit, both of which have been updated to comply with the BS6 emission norms. The 800cc 3-cylinder engine produces 54 bhp and 71 Nm of peak torque, while the 1.0-liter unit churns out 67 bhp and 91 Nm of torque. Both engines come mated to a standard 5-speed manual gearbox, with the 1.0-liter unit receiving the optional automatic transmission as well. The new hatchback now comes with a large octagonal grille flanked on either end by a sleek and sharper set of headlamps. The hatchback now features long L-shaped LED DRLs and LED fog lamps at the front. The new Redigo comes with the sporty dual-tone wheel covers, slightly increased ground clearance of 187 mm and body-colored ORVMs. The rear profile is characterized by the LED taillights and the black classing on the rear bumper. Datsun has also added a host of safety features on the new Redigo hatchback. This includes dual airbags, ABS with EBD, speed sensor, seat belt pre-tensioners, rear parking camera, and central locking. The new Datsun Redigo continue to rivals the likes of Maruti Suzuki Alto and the Renault Kwid. Honda Motorcycles has launched the BS6 version of its most affordable bike, Honda CD100 Dream, in India. The new Honda CD100 Dream BS6 is now offered with a price tag starting at Rs 62,729 ex-showroom. Honda also offers the CD110 Dream in a choice of two variants, Standard and Deluxe. Both trims now come with a host of updates and added features, making it a more attractive entry-level commuter offering than before. The new BS6 compliant model is now Rs 12,000 more expensive compared to its BS4 model. The new Honda CD110 Dream BS6 continues to be powered by an updated version of the same 110cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. Honda has not revealed the exact power figures of the BS6 version, however, it is expected to be similar to the BS4 model. The 2020 Honda CD110 Dream BS6 model now comes with a number of visual updates as well. This includes redesigned body graphics, updated bodywork, body-colored rear-view mirrors, chrome exhaust shield, new alloy wheels, and a host of new paint scheme options as well. Honda also claims that the new BS6 update has made the motorcycle even more fuel efficient than before. The Honda CD110 Dream now comes with the brand's fuel injection as well as ESP, Enhanced Smart Power, technology as well. The new CD110 Dream now also comes equipped with Honda's Silent Start feature, which was first introduced on the Activa 125 BS6 model. The Honda CD110 Dream BS6 is the latest entry-level offering from the brand in the Indian market. The CD110 Dreams joins Honda SP125 and the Unicorn to have received the BS6 update. The Honda CD110 Dream rivals the likes of the Hero Splendor, i3S and the TVS Radeon in the Indian market. Kia Motors entered the Indian market with its Seltos SUV. Since its launch, it has become one of the best-selling and the most loved SUV in the country. Kia Seltos actually beat some big players in the segment such as Hyundai Creta. Kia Motors India has launched the 2020 Seltos SUV with a host of new updates and added equipment. The new 2020 Kia Seltos now comes with a host of updates to both its exterior and interior, along with the addition of new safety equipment and connected technology as well. The new 2020 Kia Seltos SUV comes with a starting price of Rs 9.89 lakh for the base spec variant, while the top spec is offered at Rs 17.34 lakhs. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The new Seltos also carries forward the same basic trims, Tech line and GT line. Both of them are further offered in a range of variants depending on the engine and transmission options. All variants of the Kia Seltos now comes with a host of new features and added equipment. This includes a dual muffler design and a new dual-tone orange-white paint scheme. The dual muffler design was previously added only on the HTX, HTX Plus, GTX and GTX Plus variants. Now the features has been introduced on the mid-spec HTK Plus as well. The top spec variants of the Tech line HTX and HTX Plus and GT line GTX and GTX Plus now comes with a host of added features on its UO connected technology as well. This includes voice assistant command with Wake Up Hello Kia, smartwatch app connectivity, control air purifier, voice assist cricket score and voice assist Indian holiday info. The company has also introduced the emergency stop signal as standard across all variants as well. The 2020 Kia Seltos continues to remain unchanged. It carries forward the same set of petrol and diesel engine options, which have been BS6 compliant right from the time of the launch. The Kia Seltos has been the best-selling SUV in the country since the start of 2020, and now with the added features, the company has made it even more attractive. Hyundai Creta is one of the successful SUVs in the Indian market since its launch. Hyundai Creta is the segment leader. Recently in March, Hyundai launched its new generation 2020 Hyundai Creta with new updates. It has always been at the top when it comes to sales. Recently, when operations were resumed post the lockdown, Hyundai Creta managed to sell in some good numbers. The Hyundai Creta is now the best-selling car in India with sales registered at 3,212 units during the month of May 2020. The Indian auto industry has been facing one of its worst periods yet, with most operations having been shut down for the better half of the last 2 months because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The country entered a state of total lockdown back in the second half of March 2020, with relaxations being offered only in mid-May. Hyundai launched the Creta SUV back in early March, however, due to the lockdown period, had to delay sales and deliveries at the time. With Hyundai restarting its operations in May, they were able to convert all the pre-lockdown bookings to sales, which is one of the main reasons for the high sales figures of the Creta. Maruti occupied the second and third position on the list with the Ertiga and Dzire, respectively. The Maruti Ertiga registered 2,353 units of sales, while the Dzire recorded 2,215 units. Fourth on the list was the Mahindra Bolero with 1,715 units of sales, while the Maruti Eco completed the top 5 with 1,617 units of sales in the previous month. This is the first time the SUV has ever topped the list. The 2020 Hyundai Creta is a complete departure from the previous generation of the SUV. The new Creta comes with a completely fresh design and a brand new set of engines as well. The 2020 Hyundai Creta comes with a starting price of Rs 9.99 lakh and goes up all the way to Rs 17.21 lakh for the top spec variant. All prices are ex-showroom. The SUV borrows its engine and powertrain options from the Kia Seltos.